Alright, this thing just dropped like a rock, man. All of a sudden, it's at 6%. It went from 50-something to 6% in a matter of minutes. So we'll have to see. That's not good. I just posted a video about this damn thing. So they want us to deplete it to 2% and then charge it. I wonder why it dropped like that. That is just crazy. I'm over here listening to the guy in Costa Rica. So hopefully this is maybe just something to do with how the laptop is kind of able to communicate with the battery. The Dell battery might have something in it that tells the laptop the percentage. I don't know. Okay, now it just dropped to 2%. The battery is empty. Device is about to hibernate. Now we can plug it in. Okay. Alright, we're plugging it in at 2%. And let's just keep an eye and see what it does. So we followed their recommendation. I mean, it dropped fast. In like 10 minutes, it went from 50% to like 2%. Alright, well, she's slowly charging up to about 15%. We'll have to keep an eye on it. I don't know. It seemed kind of strange, but anyway.